Welcome to my smart home. On our smart home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling your Sony TV with Alexa is one of the easiest ways to manage your television using voice commands. First, make sure that your Sony Smart TV is compatible with Alexa. Generally, Sony TVs manufactured from 2016 onwards are compatible with Alexa integration. If your TV is compatible, you can easily set up this integration. First, make sure your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Then, open the Amazon Alexa app and go to the Devices tab, then click Add Device. From there, find the Sony TV or Sony Bravia option and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your TV to the Alexa app. Additionally, you can use the Sony Smart Home app for adding your Sony TV with Alexa and Google Home compatibility. Once the connection is complete, you can start controlling your TV with voice commands. For example, you can say, "Alexa, turn on the TV," "Alexa, turn up the volume," or "Alexa, switch to HDMI 1." These commands allow you to easily control all the functions of your TV. With Alexa integration, controlling your Sony TV becomes more convenient and enjoyable. You can adjust settings without using your hands, making your home environment more comfortable. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.